I was challenged last night to do this little ice challenge. So I got 360 pounds of ice in my truck. I didn't know how I was going to do it. I was going to jump off my truck into a pool of water, and somebody did that. I was going to drink some beer in the ice, somebody did that. So I decided to make my charity Beards for Autism, and I've got two guys from work that I work with going to help me out with this. The people I am calling out are Tara Grady, Journey March, Bethany Drain, Brandon Toppin, and Haley 664. Now Tara is going to be doing this with me, so she is calling out Jeff King, another Northside guy, Mark McClellan again because he never responded, Rob Condit, Jeremy Weaver, and Steve Onerheim. So we will get this going in just a minute. Thanks, guys.
Go, you're rolling.
All right, we're testing the suspension on my truck today. You guys have fun with this. Alright, now Tara's doing hers.
Awesome.
Desiree's got a lot of guts because she says she's going to try it too.
Scared.
So let's do this. You just got to get in and out.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh! That is cold.
Alright, you guys have 24 hours. I better be seeing some videos.